Moikka! I made these whimsical DIY houses a while back, and Robin wrote this comment that she would love to see how I used them in my art journal spread. So, let's do this. And thank you, Robin, for this lovely idea. And by the way, this Enchanted Village printable set is now for sale on my Etsy shop. But more on that later. Now, let's start with some sketching and then move on to the painting part. Hope you enjoy the video. And now I am drawing the more specific flowers and botanicals with these markers. It's much more easier, and I do love these markers now. And I think that adding the decorations, dots and patterns to the whimsies creates the enchanted vibe. And now, while I am finishing the village, I would like to tell you a bit about the new printables that are now for sale on my Etsy shop. There is a print and cut PDF of these Enchanted Village whimsies, and there is also a PNG file if you want to make stickers out of these with a cutting machine. So, if you want to decorate your journal with these printable whimsies, there is a link in the description box to my Etsy shop. There is only one for sale at the moment, but more will follow. But now, back to the village, and let's put the houses into their own plots. And then I will finalize the journal spread with a whimsical girl from the printable set. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.